Short Boss arrested and charged for shooting and gun possession. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 22-year-old Martin Colley, otherwise called Shortbot of Mandela Terrace, Kingston 11, was arrested and charged for shooting with intent and illegal possession of firearm and ammunition following an incident in the community on Monday, September 27. The incident was reported to the police following an investigation. Colley was arrested for the offense on Monday, October 18 and was charged on Friday, October 22nd. Reports from the Hunts Bay police are that about 9:30 p.m., a woman was among a group of persons when she was pounced upon by Colley, who opened fire at her. She ran and escaped unhurt. The court date is yet to be finalized. We'll continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.